I just got 3,520 items listed on eBay. What's the secret to eBay? Well, I should be probably pulling orders right now, but I'm not going to. I have quite a few orders to pull so far, but I'll probably start pulling them tomorrow, which is Sunday. Give me a day off of shipping because a day off is nice. But I currently got about, today's been a slow day, 22 orders right now to pull. So, I don't know. There's a lot of people that, you know, wonder, how do you level your business up? How have I done it? I don't know. Listen, I've gotten really lucky. It's not all just skill. Part of the reason I've gotten lucky is I've just fallen into deals. So I've just fallen in a lot of my deals. I've just really fallen in them. And I'm in my inventory room. I'm just walking around, making sure the building's good. I tend to walk around when I get here. I haven't even done this today, but just to kind of see the supplies I have and if I need to order anything. Getting pretty low on boxes overall. The most common box I use for eBay is an 8x6x4. It's probably the most common box I use. And I think these are... So, wow, it's been a long day today already. I listed 60 almost on the nose, I think, yesterday. So it was a really busy day, and then I don't have very many listed today. I have about 15, maybe 10 listed, or 15. I'm getting ready to take photos and do more listings. So 3,520 listings. It's I would say last year I was more heavy into Amazon, and that just changed. A lot of things changed, and Amazon changed. And I found it kind of, maybe an opportunity to really level my eBay store up and my eBay account. So I've been asked several times, they're like, hey, what business model is best for eBay? There's people that have apartments, and they literally have apartments, and they run their eBay business out of a 400 square foot apartment. And that's great and all. But for me, I wanted a big store. The people that run out of limited space, they really focus on very quick or fast moving items. So if you have, a 1-bedroom apartment and you're going to run an eBay business out of it, you're probably going to want in under 1,000 items in your store. Realistically, so you're going to say, okay, I'm going to focus on really fast moving items, that have maybe a 40 or 50% sell-through rate or higher. And my business model is just totally different. I list pretty much everything I can. I don't really get hung up on sell-through rates, to be honest, unless it's like shoes or clothing. And then I don't buy stuff like shoes or clothing that doesn't have a good sell-through rate. Now, some stuff I do literally hold for a while, especially vintage clothing, but smaller hard goods and stuff like that, I don't really focus. If it's really small, if it's like a first class item, I will list it up no matter what. So I got about, 3,520 active listings. I have no employees at all, and give me a second here. And I have $152,000, almost $153,000 in active inventory. I don't know. I live in a small town, so stuff is pretty cheap here, to be honest. And I'm fortunate for that, because most people do not have cheap property in their areas. My area, it's more of a blue-collar area, working class kind of town. So to be honest with you, it's just a lot of different people in this town, a lot of different cultures. But I started my eBay business in my house, just like everyone else. And well, not just eBay, e-commerce business, Amazon and eBay and Walmart.com is what I sell on. And I started it out of my house, and I went with it. I have 10 years of a retail experience, and I just wanted to grow it. Like, that was my main thing, is growing it and being able to build something a lot bigger than myself. This is a room that I actually started out in right here. Started out in this room, and this is really all the space I had. And then I also used some room out there, which I'm going to clean that up. That's actually, I lied. I still haven't moved that out of here. These last couple boxes right here. But I started out in literally just space right here. And I used a little bedroom upstairs for Amazon. So that was it. I come all the way home just to film this video. No, I had to grab a return that I have to give someone because I still have everything coming to my house. I won't change that because it's just easier that way. And if I want to go somewhere, I don't have to wait on the mail person to bring it to my building. I will say that one of the problems with growing your business, okay, it's a good problem to have. One of the problems with growing your business is it's more money, more problems. So the more money you make, the more problems you're going to have, the more stuff you're going to have to do. That's just all normal. So for me, I'm just like, well, you know, you're still going to have those problems sometimes, but you know, when you make more money and you have more assets or more write-offs, you have, you know, more tax liabilities and more issues. And for me, I'm just like, oh, well, you know, I'm going to hire an accountant and all that stuff. So you just got to do what you got to do to grow your business. And I know a lot of resellers, they really enjoy like reselling because they say that it's freedom. It's really not. Like, you're running your own business. So I still take calls and phone calls and stuff like that I have to take, and I have to write a schedule for myself. Like yesterday, I actually had a wholesaler call me, and I had to take the phone call for the wholesaler. So I had to, you know, they sent me a Google Meeting invite. I accepted it. I put it on my calendar. So I couldn't miss work yesterday morning. Had to go. And this is my building right here. Keep in mind, we started out in one bedroom. We actually started out in a garage at our apartment. And I had one bedroom, and this is what we got. Like, hold yourself accountable. Hold yourself to a schedule. If you do that, this is what happens. This is hard work. It's not luck. It's me doing hard work. So yeah, I mean, I just kind of felt like doing a video today because I really just wanted to break up the monotony of listing. I have to go check my dumpster and see if yep. So they emptied it. It was like a week late from them emptying it. So, you know, really all I got to say is hold yourself to a schedule. I mean, do whatever you got to do. You just got to do what you got to do to succeed. And if, you know, it depends. If your bills are paid and you define that as successful, then you're successful. There's no definition of success.